Tammy, oggi non hai segnato ma sei stato decisivo per il gol. È più il peso di non riuscire a segnare oppure la soddisfazione di essere stato comunque importante nell'andare in Germania col vantaggio?
Is it more the burden of not scoring or the pleasure to win the game?
No, for me it's helping my team win is the most important thing. Scoring or don't score, the most important thing for me is my team winning. And of course it would have been nice to score. There's still another game to come, but like I said, sometimes you have to do the ugly.
AC Roma striker Tammy Abraham, the former striker of the Chelsea Football Club and the former striker of the ACV Aston Villa Football Club, here speaks on the current situation that he has been passing in Serie A in Italy, as he used to say that despite he is just not scoring goals currently, but he feels nothing. Of course, it's just a pattern of football life, as a part of football strikers. Sometimes a striker might not score goals, but of course the time will come for him to score goal. And in fact now he's just focused, and he's just focused on the team performance and the team result. And the only thing that he needs is to make sure that a club have the positive result, a club wins more. And of course this is just a team. It's not it doesn't depend on the individual performance. And once he will get more chances to score, he will just score. And if any player will just get an opportunity to score, it's not bad for him to score, but he is just focused on the greater team performance and the positive result of the team. Tammy Abraham is just one among of the currently dangerous striker in Serie A. He is just one among of the greatest striker, and he was just shown us his ability when he was playing at Aston Villa Football Club. He scored so many goals, and in fact he is just termed as a youngest dangerous striker in Serie A. And incredibly enough, he is just speaking here on the cooperation that he has got from the AC Roma fans, the technical bench, and AC Roma supporters, as he has been supported. And of course he doesn't want to let them down, as he wants to pay back. He wants to make sure that he gives them what they deserve on the pitch, and he wants to score goals. And for this time means things are not